Today I'm going to show you how I slayed my closure wig, okay? Sometimes, you guys, I need a good old closure, okay? I don't always feel like tussling with frontals. Don't sleep on closures, okay? Closures are still popping. I'm going to show you how I got mine to look really nice like this and look very natural, okay? So before we get started, I want to shout out the hair company that I'm using today. And this is from Nadula Hair. I think that's how you pronounce it. This is how the box looks. The hair comes in right here. And I will have to say that this hair is super affordable, you guys. It ships really, really fast. Affordable hair is honestly where it's at, especially if you're on a budget. If you can afford the $500, $600, $800, $1,000 hair. Like, this hair is definitely nice hair. It's very, very soft. It has a very pretty texture. When you first get this hair in the mail, it's like a nice body wave texture. And usually I'm like scared of body wave because it never usually like holds its texture. When you wash a body wave, it usually goes like bone straight, okay? But this hair didn't do that. It actually held its texture, and the closure looked really nice. I did bleach the closure, and it bleached really, really fast. Like, so wash it when you're bleaching it. I only had to lift mine for about 10 minutes. The hair is nice and bouncy. You get a lot of hair on the bundles. It's full from the root to the tip. And I went ahead and made me a wig out of this hair. And I only used 2 of the bundles in the closure. And as you guys can see, like, this wig is full. Like, very full, not skimpy at all. And the closure looks very good as well. I'm going to show you guys how I got my closure popping, okay? So the first thing you want to do is make your wig. Now, I've made 1,000 wigs here on YouTube. If you guys want to see me make a wig, comment in the comment sections below. Ivy, show us how to make a wig. I'll show you guys how to make a wig. Again, okay? It's the wig right here. And all I'm using to secure this wig on is my wig grip. My wig grip is my best friend. My wigs are snug. They don't shift. And everything is just, you know, nice and secure. I put my wig on my head. As you guys can see, my closure kind of looks good as soon as I put it on. And that's because I plucked it in the front a little bit. Just like you would do a frontal. Make sure you thin out your closure a little bit in the front. But don't pluck it as much as you would a frontal, okay? Because your closure end up looking too bald, okay? When I put my closure on, I actually do my baby hairs in the top portion of my head. Now on my sides, I have my natural baby hair down because they're going to show anyway, but I'm going to show y'all my little trick. So what I like to do is the middle little part baby hair that I like to do. I just gel that down with some Got2b gel and a little eyebrow brush. This is what I like to use to do my edges. So what you want to do is place a little bit of the gel on the lace and the hair, okay? So that little bit of gel is going to help the lace actually melt into your forehead. And it's going to help you to lay down the baby hairs, and it gives you a little bit more security. So I do that in the middle, and then I go in and I brush the hairs down on each side, and I kind of like blend them with my own natural baby hairs, okay? And I like doing that so when your hair blows or is back in the wind, you won't see your lace. This kind of hides a little line of demarcation that you might have. And then I like to take a blow dryer, and I like to like blow dry it a little dry. And then I use my blow dryer to like press down my wig. I know you guys have seen me do this method before where I take the blow dryer and just kind of like press down my hair. It just helps me get a very nice flat wig. As you guys can see, my wig is super, super flat. And the blow dryer really helps get everything nice and flat and seamless looking. I sprayed a little bit of the Got2b around in the front lace, and this is just going to further help your hair melt. Now this is an extra step you don't have to do, but I like doing it just so everything can look nice and blended. So the next thing we're going to do is define the hair. Now this is how the hair looks right after a fresh wash. I was very impressed with this body wave hair. Did wash into it still has a wave, okay? It's not bone straight, it has wave, it has texture. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and just spray some water and conditioner in it and just kind of scrunch the hair around because I do like this loose, effortless type of wave look. And then I'm going to take my blow dryer with my diffuser on it and I'm just going to dry my hair in sections. Now if you want like a firmer hold and a deeper like wave, I would suggest something like a mousse. I definitely wouldn't suggest putting like curling creams or anything very heavy on this hair, because this hair is very like airy and lightweight. It's very, very airy and lightweight. And I do want to do a curl test on it. I'm going to start doing curl tests more often, even if I don't, you know, wear the hair that way, just so you guys can get an idea of it. So this is how the hair curls. Curls really, really good. So that's always important, girls. We want hair that's going to, you know, be able to be versatile. You don't want anything where you can't curl it or style it or whatever the case may be. Okay, you guys, so that's pretty much it for this video. It's just a really quick little closure tip video. If you're interested in this hair, make sure you check the description bar below. I will have links and details and all that good stuff down there. Okay, you guys, so now it's time to announce the winners, and I want to say congrats to you guys. So the first winner is Scarletbrij, and the second winner is Simone Mackinns. I will be emailing you guys. Again, congratulations. Please respond within 24 hours to claim your prize. Stay tuned, guys. I am going to have something very special coming very soon, so keep an eye out on that, and I will talk to you guys in the next video.